Hey guys, Nate here, Nate's Classic Cars. Walked into the shop this morning, July 4th. Thought, man, I have to shoot this video and bring it to y'all. I get a little bit spoiled here. Usually have 2 or 3 Boss 429s in the shop at once. But it's not often that I have a red, white, and blue one, especially on July 4th. So I thought, man, I got to shoot this and bring it to you guys. As you can see, we always got the American flag flying in the back. So really good lineup here to bring y'all. This is a Candy Apple Red 69 Boss 429. We're finishing up, getting ready for Boss Nationals out at Pitt International coming up Labor Day weekend. If y'all are in the area, come out, see us. This is a Wimbledon White, MCA Gold, 69 Boss 429. These cars are really good looking in Wimbledon White, in my opinion. Really sets it off. And this right here is a 70 Boss 429. As you can see, this is Grabber Blue, black interior, much rarer than the white interior on Grabber Blue in 70. Really has a great look to it. And as you can see, we're finishing up the restoration on this. And this will also be out at Pitt International Labor Day weekend. So like I said, we got the American flag flying in the back. Red, white, and blue Boss 429s. So I thought I'd bring it all to you here on July 4th and wish everybody a happy 4th of July. Enjoy it with these 3 red, white, and blue Boss 429s. See y'all soon.